Okay, you guys, this is what I've been up to on the Sea Ghost, putting in some deck padding. This came from, I believe, Yak Gear deck mat. Comes in a big strip like this. And what I did is took this tape here. I just made a stencil, cut out the scuppers, cut out those little grooves that are in the kayak, if you can see those, using just some 3M tape, and then bam, stuck it in. Doesn't look too bad. It's not beautiful, but I like it a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side over here. Blow out all the debris. It's already been cleaned with alcohol, but I am outside right now, so some stuff is falling in a little bit. I'm talking to the camera, baby.
Huh?
Talking to the camera here.
Dad.
Okay, look out, honey.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Going in.
Huh?
Coming in hot.
Huh?
Huh?
Dad, what? What you calling the hot? Wait, coming?
Careful, careful, not you. You stay out.
No, we're see right here.
Oh, you knocked the camera over. Alright, anyway, I think we got it in there okay. Looks pretty lined out. Everything seems to be in the right spot. Okay, I just gotta push it all in.
Hey, where's the seat?
I took the seat out, baby.
Oh.
Yeah.
And you're going to put it in again?
I'll put it in a little bit.
And you're going to go,
Push it all down really good.
like, go kayaking?
You want to go kayaking?
Yeah. Today.
You want to go today too?
Yeah.
Yeah? I don't know if we're going to be able to go today, guys.
Hey, Dad.
I want to go though too. Okay guys, so here I am on the next step of my padding modification. And this is how I got basically the stencil for these here. And I got it from an idea from a guy who does a channel called Kayaking USA. Use Scotch tape to make the lines of where you want your padding to be and the shape you want it to be. You fill it all in as a big stencil, and then you peel it up, you put it on your pad, and you cut around it. Pretty simple. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and we'll get back to you on that. So this is perfect. I have literally just enough room in this square to cut the piece I wanted. So, awesome. I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. It's a pretty simple piece to cut. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Peel off the stencil. Alright, so we've made our stencil, we've cut our piece, fits where we want it to go. All that's left now is to clean this area really well. So I'm going to do a two-part cleaning I'm going to use just some Windex and some alcohol. So I'm going to start with the Windex here. Spray it on there real good. Give her a clean. Now, things like Windex will leave some residue. So now that it's all cleaned, I'm just going to use some isopropyl alcohol. Just to get all that extra stuff off. Okay guys, so here it is. This is the finished product of my Yak Gear deck padding. Somewhere along the line of recording this video I lost the portion where I'm actually sticking it to the kayak, but this is after a couple of trips of fishing and it's holding up great. I didn't add any other adhesive or anything, just the stick that came with it. No corners are peeling up. Everything's holding up really well. So if you're looking for a good product to put in your boat, I think this is it. That's the piece. I just cut it off. I just cut it off just like that because I don't see myself needing that covered. If I want to cover that later on, I will, but it's good. I like it. Thanks for watching, guys, and let me see how you do yours.